Okay, supposedly we're gonna get a big storm here tonight. So who knows how that's gonna go. It's supposed to be like, I don't know, 60-mile-per-hour winds. Man, let me get this over here. Yeah, it's supposed to be like 60-mile-per-hour winds and a tornado watch and all that stuff. And I'm over here at my parents' house where it's notoriously bad for wind. Like, we have our shingles get ripped off the roof all the time and trees fall down. So this ought to be pretty interesting. But if you ask me, I think it might miss us. That's what I have to say. But we'll see. Oh yeah, it's starting up now. Here we go. What are you doing? Putting up the hot tub?
Putting up the cover.
Gotcha. Oh man, this is a big one. Says it might be a tornado in there. Wow.
Can you see their house? Got out just in time. Well, I mean, they're still out in the wilderness, though.
Why?
What's gonna happen?
They said don't use cell phones and don't stand near windows. What about this? Got everyone here helping move. Got Nate, Jack, Sean, Alec, Brady, Jay, Rachel. Go going in here. It's getting pretty empty. Right there. Right there. Right there. We're getting it done. Dad's somewhere running around. All right, what do you think of all that? We just moved in.
Successful. Very successful.
You tired?
Not gonna lie, in most situations I would bluff and try to act tough and say, nah, but I am absolutely exhausted.
All right, here we go. We got the whole, you can't even fit in the living room at all. Moved it all in. And then around on the other side, there's another whole room full of stuff. And then upstairs, I'm not gonna go up there because I'm tired. It has another room full of stuff. We have way too much stuff. Delayed watering. When you know you're not gonna be here to water,
No, I just
you can
didn't want to wait
save it for a while. Plants love this on a hot day.
They do this, like, you know, if you do go away for a while.
Exactly. All right, well, we got officially moved in, I suppose. We're just enjoying some ice cream because we're too lazy to put everything up right now. We're laying on the mattress on the ground. This is what true living's all about. Young love. Celebrating our first year. All right, well, we're here at Target, and someone made a decision here. They left their tea for a pair of pants. Some people. Down by the river, we took a little walk. We met up with Allie and had a little talk. We threw her in the river, we hung her out to dry. We can beat Allie any old time. Okay, explain to me what's going on here.
Alright, so I am the DM for a group of my friends' Dungeons & Dragons game. And this is our very first in-person session since we got into quarantine and all that.
Yeah.
So, here, I've given each one of them a folder with their very own pencil. Each one of them has their own character sheet inside,
Wow.
and 2 sheets of paper for them to write notes or sketch pictures or whatever. Here we have the Queen Anne's Revenge,
Wow.
but
Impressive.
in the story that I made, we actually have a pirate ship which follows the exact description of that ship,
Gotcha.
so it works perfectly. We've got a dice box.
Nice.
Throw it in there. Put it all around. And over here, we have my area. This
Wow.
is covering up where I write down notes, and then I have on my computer here, I write down everything that I want to see. And then using this HDMI cord, I can put up maps and stuff on this big screen.
This might be the coolest setup I've seen.
Uh-huh. It's a first come, first served basis. If you get down here first, you get the couch and stuff.
Okay, so what happens if they're going into a battle?
Well,
What's the lighting?
this.
Jeez. That is epic. Alright, Brady. What's your next option here?
I'm getting some hot dog with sauce.
Mr. Graduate here. Brady's graduate party.
Okay.
What's it feel like?
Jackson.
Doesn't feel any different, honestly.
Not yet, at least. Alright, I got to get the whole timeline.
He's rocking the mama chair.